Hey, science detectives! So with me, let's crack the case. What makes our chest jump with hic, hiccups? Many met school for kids. One giant science adventure. Cool science? Kid power. Let's dive in. Boom! Here comes the clues. Watch closely. Clue number 1. A big muscle called the diaphragm controls breathing. Clue number 2. Sometimes it twitches by mistake. Clue number 3. That twitch makes our vocal cords slam shut. Wow, you got it! Hiccups are tiny spasms of the diaphragm. Let's try today's trick. Take one slow breathe to calm your diaphragm. Try it and follow me. This is not just learning, this is leveling up. Case closed, boss. Mini med school for kids. One giant science adventure that grows our brain and our smarts. Like, subscribe, and share. Grab your free tracker and worksheet. Link is below. Next time, get ready. Why do we sneeze? Click my profile and watch the whole playlist. Hiccup.